In this video we're going to give an example of writing a logic statement in Scratch. What I'm going to do is have a day and a month, so two variables, and I'm going to see if the day is equal to 25 and the month is equal to 12, which should be the 25th of December, which is Christmas Day, and if it is, wish Merry Christmas. And if the day is not the 25th and the day is not the 12th and the month is not the 12th, then it's not Christmas Day. So I'm going to put a message up like that. So I'm going to need two variables. So let's get started. Make a variable. I'm going to call this one day, and I'm going to have another one called month. There we go, I've got my two variables, day and month, and I'm going to say that when I'm clicked, I'm going to set the day to, let's say 25, and I'm going to set the month to 12. Right, now let's write my program. I don't need the or and I don't need the not. I'm just going to use the AND gate, but we also need if statements to manage this. So I'm going to say if, and I need to build my logic statement. And the way I'm going to do that is I need an equal symbol, and I'm going to choose my variable day, and 25 is Christmas Day. I'm going to do exactly the same for the month. I'm going to find the equal symbol, put the variable month in there, and I'm going to turn that to 12. So I'm going to put that into the left hand side. It doesn't really matter which side these go into. It just means that if the day is 25 and the month is 12, then it's Christmas Day. So that statement can now go into my if statement there. So this says if the day is the 20th. Actually, I need a better than an if. I need an if else statement. There we go. Silly me. Put that in there. If the day is 25 and the month is 12, then what we're going to do is say Merry Christmas. And if it isn't, we're going to say it's not Christmas yet. Okay, so there's my program. So the little cat, when I click the flag, it's going to set the day to 25. It's going to set the month to 12. It's going to test if the day is 25. If that is, it's going to be true. And if the month is equal to 12, which it is, that's going to be true. And if this is true and the answer is true, always this first line here is going to run. So if the result of my logic test is true, this line is going to run. If it's false, the bottom line is going to run. So let's run my program, and it should say Merry Christmas, because the day is 25 and the month was 12. So let's make this one true. So I'm going to have the day is 25, but I'm going to make this one false. So I'm going to choose 11 for November, and I'm going to run my program again. This time true and false, the result is false, so it's not going to do the top line, it's going to do the bottom line. It's going to say it's not Christmas yet. And there we go. And I can run through all of those logic statements. So if I now set the month to 12, which would be December, set up for Christmas, but I'm going to set the day to 24, which would be Christmas Eve. This is going to be false because the day is not 24, so that's going to be false. Month is going to be 12, that's going to be true. So false and true is false, and it's going to give me it's not Christmas yet. And there we go. Let's make them both false. So let's change the month to 11th. So this is now the 24th of November. So the day isn't 25, it's 24, so that's false. The month is false because it's asking is it 12, and it's not, it's 11, so false, and false is going to give me false. It's going to say it's not Christmas yet. And there we go. So the only time it's going to run is if this is true and this is true. So if the day is 25 and the month is 12. So let's just finally do that. 25th of the 12th, Christmas Day. Run my program. Merry Christmas to you all.